Money slips through our fingers faster than we realize. A coffee here, a subscription there, eating out one too many times, and suddenly, at the end of the month, you're wondering, where did all my money go? The truth is, if you don't take control of your spending, your money will control you. And the cost of ignoring it is massive. People who don't manage their spending end up living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and constantly stressed. But the good news is, it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful money hacks that can help you save at least $500 every single month. And if you stick around until the end, you'll realize how small changes today can create big freedom tomorrow. Hack number 1, the 24-hour rule. Impulse spending is the silent killer of savings. You see something on Amazon, your brain screams, "Buy now," and 2 days later, that package arrives, but by then, you don't even care about it. The 24-hour rule is simple: wait 1 day before buying anything non-essential. This tiny delay forces your brain to ask, do I really need this? 8 out of 10 times, the answer is no. Americans spend an average of $300 a month on impulse purchases. Imagine cutting that in half, that's $150 saved, just by waiting. It's not glamorous, but it's the single most powerful hack on this list. Hack number 2, cancel unused subscriptions. Let's talk about subscriptions, the sneakiest money drain in modern life. You sign up for Netflix, Spotify, Disney+, Amazon Prime, maybe even a gym you haven't visited since January. Each one looks small, $10 here, $15 there, but together they can bleed you dry. Studies show the average person wastes $50 to $70 a month on subscriptions they don't use. That's $600 to $800 every year. Do this today: open your bank statement, write down every subscription, and ask yourself, do I really need this? Cancel the ones you don't. It's like giving yourself a raise without working extra hours. Hack number 3, cook at home instead of eating out. Eating out is convenient, but it's also the fastest way to destroy your budget. A burger, fries, and drink in the US costs around $15. Do that 3 times a week, and you're blowing $180 a month. And that's just fast food. Cooking at home doesn't have to be boring. You can make delicious, healthy meals for $5 or less. If you replace just half of your takeout meals with home-cooked ones, you'll save at least $150 a month. Plus, you'll feel better and healthier. Think of it this way: every time you cook at home, you're not just saving money, you're investing in your health and your wallet. Hack number 4, use cashback and discount apps. Imagine getting paid for shopping. That's exactly what cashback and discount apps do. Platforms like Rakuten, Honey, or Capital One Shopping automatically find discounts and give you money back. Let's say you buy a $100 pair of shoes online. With cashback, you might get $10 back instantly. Doesn't sound like much. Well, if you shop online regularly, that can add up to $50 or $100 every month. And the best part, you don't have to change your lifestyle at all. It's free money for doing what you already do. Hack number 5, switch to generic brands. Here's a secret the big brands don't want you to know: most generic products are made in the exact same factories as the expensive ones. The only difference? Packaging and marketing. Generic groceries, medicine, and cleaning products are often 30 to 40% cheaper. For example, a brand-name cereal might cost $5, but the store brand costs $3, and they taste almost identical. Over the course of a month, switching to generics could save you $80 or more on groceries alone. That's money you can redirect to savings, investments, or even paying off debt faster. Hack number 6, automate your savings. Here's a psychological trick: if you don't see the money, you won't spend it. Automating your savings means setting up your bank account to transfer a small portion of your income into savings the moment you get paid. Even if it's just $50 a week, that's $200 a month saved without thinking about it. People who automate their savings are 70% more likely to hit their financial goals. Think about it, your future self will thank you for every automatic transfer that quietly builds wealth in the background. Hack number 7, stop upgrading gadgets every year. Finally, let's talk about the obsession with new gadgets. Every year, a new iPhone comes out, and people rush to spend $1,000 plus, even though their current phone works perfectly fine. Same with laptops, TVs, even cars. Do you really need the newest version, or do you just want it because everyone else is buying it? Keeping your phone for 3 years instead of upgrading every 12 months could save you $500 to $700 easily. Multiply that across all your electronics, and we're talking thousands in savings over time. Let's recap the 7 hacks. Stop impulse buying with the 24-hour rule, cancel and use subscriptions, cook at home, use cashback apps, buy generic brands, automate your savings, and stop upgrading gadgets every year. Do just these, and you'll save at least $500 this month, and thousands over a year. Remember, saving isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Every dollar you save is a soldier fighting for your future financial freedom. So which hack are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments, and if you want more money-saving strategies, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.